If you're thinking about buying a house but you don't know what to do first, next, or even how it works, I'm about to tell you. My name is Suneet Agarwal with Big Block Realty North, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of buying a house so you know how it really works. As a home buyer, I advise you get as much information as you can up front because the good deals go really fast, and I want you to be armed with everything you need to know to make your next purchase. The very first step you need to take is to pick a great real estate agent to work with. The reason why over 87% of home buyers decide to work with a real estate agent is because it doesn't cost you, the buyer, anything out of pocket, and it's our job to make sure that you're taken care of. Are you making a good move? Have you considered all aspects of this investment? How does this process even work? Well, it's your agent's job to make sure you understand all of that. You have to get really familiar with the market and understand what your money is going to get you. So once you've decided on a great real estate agent, the next thing to do is to figure out your financing. It's important to get with a great lender, somebody that you also like and trust, who can really get you prepared for what that payment information and total mortgage purchase price is going to look like. Now that you have your purchase price figured out, you need to go out and start looking. So now is when you go and actually step foot inside some properties. You're going to have questions about school, shopping, commute times, and then what neighborhood actually best suits your needs. When you're buying a house, you're also buying into a community. So it's important to know all aspects of that area. It's your agent's job to make sure you're educated about those things. Eventually, you're going to find a property that you really want to buy, and that's when you write an offer. It's your agent's job to handle all those negotiations. And if your offer gets accepted, congratulations. But there's still plenty of work left to do. Finding your house is only half the battle. The other part is actually closing on it. Once you're under contract, or as we like to call it in California, in escrow, you do all your due diligence and find out what's really going on with the property. For example, we're going to want to do a home inspection. We're going to want to do a pest inspection. Roof inspection? We could do a sewer inspection. We could do a mold inspection. How about an HVAC inspection? We also need to pull up title and make sure that there's no liens or weird judgments happening on the property and that you can really even buy it. The reason why this is so important is because the average home buyer spends less than 15 minutes in a house before they decide that they're going to purchase it. That means you probably didn't have time to flush the toilet, test the AC, or see how old the roof looks. Once you're under contract or in escrow, you can expect there to be about 30 to 40 days to actually close on the property. Now, of course, there's a ton of other details and little things that you can expect to deal with when purchasing a home, but what I told you is really the base of things that you can expect to happen on your next purchase. I really hope that you learned something out of this video. My name is Suneet Agarwal with Big Block Realty North. If you have any more questions, we should have a link somewhere around this video for you to press to reach out to us. We look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you next time.